Classic style bicycle bell alerts others on the road or trail for added safety. Fits most bicycle handlebars. Easy installation removal. No tools required. Designed to fit either side of the handlebars. Top reviews from the United States. Love this bell. Got a new bike and needed a bell to go with it. This one is awesome. It's very loud, which is exactly what I needed. I live in an area with lots of tourists, who seem to leave their brains at the city gates when they come to visit, and then wander all over paths they assume are sidewalks, but with painted lines on them, the bike trails. To make matters worse, the roads are clogged with tourist coach buses whose engines are so noisy, the average bike bell couldn't be heard even if the tourists were paying attention. I frequently pass other cyclists with pipsqueak bells, and I've enjoyed overhearing lots of comments from fellow riders about how much louder my bell is than theirs. It's quite satisfying.